already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Believe that.
I already did that. I already did that.
Thank you to everyone who purchased the book. Welcome back. Today we're making fried ice cream.
Fried ice cream?
The first thing you're going to need is some cake, crumbled up. And I simply remove the icing from the coconut cake I just made. I'll put the recipe in the description box. Now I'm going to take my vegan ice cream, remove a scoop, and cover it with the crumbled cake.
I gotta see this.
Make sure each scoop of ice cream is covered with the cake and the cake is packed tightly. Now place the ice cream balls back into the freezer for 2 hours. Mix some flour and coconut milk together to make a batter.
Mix it till it's smooth.
Place the frozen ice cream balls into the batter and cover them completely. Now it's time to fry them up. Deep fry the ice cream balls for 3 minutes.
3 minutes? That's definitely gonna melt.
When it's all done, add all the vegan ice cream toppings you like and enjoy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe!